Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, easy to remove shortcut virus from USB drive without losing any data. First method is open File Explorer. Find USB drive letter. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ecolan. Type attrib space, -s space, -h space, -r space, ** space, /s space, /d space, /l. Type del space, start.lnk. Second method is open any browser. Type shortcut virus remover in browser search bar. Type drive letter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.